Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sybil and I'm here to share with you my Simon Says stamp monthly kit. This is the kit. Is it the kit for May? Yes, I believe so. It just arrived, like maybe 8 minutes ago, and it's been about a week since I've made a video, so I thought I would jump right in and share with you this kit. Plus I got another little separate order from Simon Says Stamp that came in today as well. Now, previously I have shared with you that I have been subscribed to the Hero Arts kit. I think that their kit is fabulous, and I've mentioned many times you get the most bang for your buck with that kit because you always get, stamps, coordinating dies, paper, ink, everything. But the last several months I've been purchasing the Simon Says Stamp kit, not subscribed, but you can go in and purchase it before it runs out. Excuse me, my allergies are really bad today. But I decided, because I've really liked the past 2-3 months of their kits, that I was gonna put my Hero Arts kit on hold, my subscription on hold. So I stopped that, and they told me I could restart it anytime. And I went ahead and subscribed to the Simon Says Stamp kit. And I was really surprised when I got this kit, because one of the things I mentioned that kept me from subscribing was no dies, and that they did not include dies. Now, Simon's Hero Arts, they give you a whole big amount of dies. If you get a stamp set, you get most of the dies for that stamp set. So that's pretty cool. But I'm still excited about this. It's heart, so you get the word heart, and then you get the outline of it too. And then the 2 little ink cubes, melon and spring rain. Both of them are really pretty. And get the little dum-dum sucker there. Looks like it's going to be grape this time. And this beautiful stamp, it says, "Take heart. I love your kind heart. You have a beautiful," and then you can do the word die over there, "heart. You are full of heart." And then it has the little hummingbird. I guess I could hold it up to where you could see it. Hummingbird. And then the vase filled with some flowers. So that'll be real pretty to color, real fun to color. And then this beautiful Everything Together stamp set that Christina Warner designed. "Let's catch up soon. Hey there, good looking. Miss you like crazy. I wish we lived closer. Pretty sure we would do everything together." That's sweet. "You are simply the best ever." And then you got some flowers. And then this little stamp here, it says, "You win the award for being the most awesome person I know." And then you've got a little chevron and a little stitch stamp as well. So that's going to be really fun. And there is a envelope, kind of the shimmer material or paper, real pretty there. And then some puppy stickers. So this is Pink Fresh, "Let Your Heart Decide." Really pretty. I love hearts, so that's really fun. And then another set, "Let Your Heart Decide. Full heart, good, not easy, but worth it." So look at all those pretty puppy stickers. Going to be a lot of fun. And then there's the paper pad. Let me get my scissors over here. And we'll look at this paper. Oh, that's fun. So it's from Pink Fresh. So really cute papers there. I thought it was a paper pad, but it's actually just single sheets. And then you get some, it looks like some, some scored, pre-scored gray paper. Trying to see if it's a shimmer. Then you get your inspiration sheet with a lot of different cards there. And then you get the white paper, and that's really like, is that just, it feels like, yep. I was gonna say, it feels like it's this stick-it paper where you can, it is, for your die cutting, which I love that stuff. I'll show you that in another video. I've been really going to town using my stick-it paper and my dies. So you get the pretty papers, and there are the inks that match them really well. So there's that kit, real fun. And I placed a little order because Doodlebug Designs came out with their new paper pads. So they have 2 summer pads. This one's called Sweet Summer. I didn't pick up the other one, but I'm sure you guys have seen these papers already, but this is my favorite. Look at the colors. Does that not say happiness? I love it. So, so cute. Look at all those little borders with the cassette tapes with the little smiley faces on them. So adorable. And I love that one too, really pretty plaid. And there's polka dots and little waves, little cut aparts, so really cute. And I picked up the matching icon stickers to go with that. Look at the little love bug down there with the surfboard hanging out of it. Super duper adorable. And then I picked up the Hello assortment of glitter sprinkles, the enamel dots, and I love these. I'm not sure if I'll be able to pick up that glitter on there, but oh, they're so, so pretty. I love that pink. And then I kind of running low on my enamel dots because I've been making some cards for Make It Monday, so you'll see those cards on the first Monday of May. And I was kind of running out of some enamel dot colors that I, usually that I use a lot of, so I decided to just pick up a bunch of enamel dots. So these are from EcoPart, and I really like those colors. And then this one, so this one's called Imagine That, and this is Summer Dreams. And then look at this one from Pink Fresh. Wowza, is that not some massive enamel dots? It's dottage. So look at how large these are. And then it goes down to like what are normally large, because look, here's the regular large size. You know what I mean? I guess that one's not. Here we go. So there's your regular. And then look at that. Yep, these are the granddaddies of them. So a lot of beautiful colors. Gonna have a lot of fun adding those to my cards and my projects. So thank you guys so much for watching. As I said, I've been doing a lot of card making, and for Make It Monday, that's going to be the first Monday of May that Tina Kappa and I do together. And then I also have been cutting out a ton of my dies and words, sentiment dies. So that, and I'm not going to go into why. I'm going to do that video later on, probably tomorrow or Sunday. And then I'm also going to share a couple of cards that I've made, thank you cards that I've made. So I hope you all have a fabulous Friday, and that the sun is shining nice and warm where you are, and that winter has finally given up the ghost and left us for a year. Have a great weekend, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.